Welcome back. Today we are mastering titanium laser engraving. Let's power up the machine and get started. Turn on the laser switch. After powering up the machine, we start by setting our perfect focal point to ensure absolute precision. First, let's create a high contrast black mark. In our software, we import a vector logo and quickly generate a scannable QR code. We dial in our specific parameters for black titanium engraving and use the red light preview to align our design. Once we hit mark, the laser alters the titanium surface to create a bold, permanent black finish. It is highly durable and ensures the QR code scans flawlessly. But titanium is uniquely versatile. Let's switch gears and engrave in white. By adjusting our speed, power, and frequency parameters in the software, we completely change how the laser reacts with the metal. We run a quick preview and fire it up. The laser firing, creating a bright white frosted look. The result is a clean, brilliant white frosted finish. Black or white, with the right parameters, you have total control. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more laser tutorials.